Imagine making thousands of dollars online without ever showing your face. No filming, no expensive equipment, and no need to spend hours editing videos. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In fact, people are making passive income every day by leveraging AI automation to build faceless YouTube channels. If you've ever wondered how some creators manage to upload high-quality videos daily without even appearing on camera, this video is for you. Welcome to WealthWise, your go-to channel for discovering how to automate your content creation, scale your income, and build a successful faceless YouTube channel with AI. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to setting up your own automated channel in 2025. Let's dive in. Segment 1, Introduction to Faceless YouTube Channels. Faceless YouTube channels are changing the game for content creators. Gone are the days when you had to be on camera to succeed on YouTube. Now, with the right tools and strategy, you can generate income without ever recording yourself. So what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's a channel where the content is created using AI-powered tools instead of manually filming videos. Instead of a personal presence, these videos use AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, animations, and text-based content to engage viewers. The best part? These channels work around the clock, generating revenue even while you sleep. Whether you're interested in finance, tech, health, or entertainment, there's a profitable niche waiting for you to tap into. Segment 2, How does faceless channel automation work? Now that you understand the concept, let's break down how automation makes this process seamless. First, AI-powered script generators help you craft engaging content. You don't need to brainstorm or manually write scripts. AI tools can generate them based on trending topics in your niche. Next, AI voice generators turn your scripts into high-quality voiceovers. No need for a microphone, expensive recording software, or voice training. These tools produce human-like narration in various styles and accents. Then, video editing software powered by AI puts everything together. It selects stock footage, animations, and visuals to match your script. Once done, your video is ready for upload, optimized with AI-driven SEO tools to ensure maximum visibility. The result? A fully automated content creation system that saves you time while maximizing output and engagement. Segment 3, Essential Tools for Faceless Channel Automation. To build a successful faceless YouTube channel, you need the right AI-powered tools. Here are some of the best in the industry. Descript, an AI-driven tool that helps generate, edit, and refine video scripts. It also allows you to edit videos simply by modifying text. Pictory, ideal for converting blog posts and articles into engaging YouTube videos by automatically selecting relevant footage and visuals. Synthesia, a game changer for creating AI-generated presenters who can professionally read scripts, making your videos appear highly polished. VidIQ and TubeBuddy. These tools optimize video titles, descriptions, tags, and posting schedules to increase discoverability and engagement. Using these tools, you can streamline content creation, optimize for SEO, and scale your faceless YouTube channel efficiently. Segment 4, How automation helps you earn money. Once your faceless channel is set up and running, it's time to monetize it. There are multiple revenue streams available. YouTube ad revenue. After meeting the monetization criteria, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from YouTube ads. The more videos you publish, the more revenue potential you unlock. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and services related to your niche by embedding affiliate links in your video descriptions. Earn commissions whenever a viewer purchases through your link. Sponsored content. Brands are constantly looking for YouTube channels to showcase their products. Even with a faceless channel, you can partner with companies for paid promotions and sponsorships. With AI automation, your channel can generate income 24/7 with minimal manual effort, making it a powerful passive income source. Now, a real-world example of a successful faceless channel. Let's look at a real-life success story. A finance-focused, faceless YouTube channel started using AI tools to automate content creation. Within just 6 months, they grew to over 100,000 subscribers. By uploading one video per day, thanks to AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and automated video editing, they were able to scale fast. Today, they earn over $10,000 per month through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships, all without ever showing their face. This proves that with the right strategy and tools, anyone can achieve similar results. Segment 6, tips for growing a faceless YouTube channel. If you're serious about building a profitable faceless YouTube channel, follow these key growth strategies. Consistency is key. Automated content makes it easier to upload regularly, which boosts your channel's visibility. Focus on trending topics. Use AI-driven tools like TubeBuddy to track trending topics in your niche. Engage with your audience. Even with a faceless channel, audience engagement matters. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to interact with your content. These simple yet effective strategies will help you grow your channel exponentially. Segment 7, scaling your faceless YouTube channel. Once your channel gains traction, the next step is scaling. With AI-powered automation, you can manage multiple channels simultaneously, each targeting different niches. This allows you to expand your income streams and multiply your earnings without significantly increasing your workload. The key to scaling is leveraging AI to consistently create high-quality, engaging content across multiple channels. By doing this, you can exponentially increase your reach and revenue. Are you ready to start your own faceless YouTube channel and tap into the power of AI automation? If so, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We're here to guide you through every step of the process, covering AI tools, automation strategies, and more ways to make money online. Join the WealthWise community today and start your journey toward financial freedom with AI-powered content creation. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay wise, stay automated, and keep earning.